get those 3 things, Benny.
Boy, what you mean?
Alright, we're at
3 things? I don't
Matcha
know.
Maiko again.
I would have had 3 things if we didn't go eat out.
This is a redo.
Oh, you were gonna eat.
Second round.
Second round with the right stuff this time.
Hopefully the ice cream
They
machine
will.
is not
If not, I'm
broken
gonna go
again.
make it.
He said
But
it.
excuse me,
Let me show you
get-
how it's done.
get over here.
He's on his thing.
Is there a spot right
Let's go. Oh, there's the menu right here.
Oh, perfect.
I want the golden matcha sauce.
I'm walking
What's that?
around. That is the cake portion of it that goes in. This one goes in. Where we go? This right here.
Sorry.
Okay.
Wow, so pretty. You guys want to try? You guys want to practice pickpocketing each other? You guys want to practice pickpocketing each other?
No, I'm gonna get paranoid.
Practice what?
Pickpocketing.
Pickpocketing?
I don't have any pockets. You can't really pickpocket me.
Thank
My
you.
pockets are empty.
I want it. Beef.
She wants it too.
Let me ask her.
Would you like some?
Did you want the powder on top?
Oh, sure. Yeah.
Thank you.
This one's my favorite order. Avoid stuff with just water.
Thank you.
Why you like this together? Because it's not that
This is it, man. This is it.
This is the moment we're
What was that?
waiting for.
This is the moment I've been waiting for. I'll wait for you. What did you get?
I got this.
Oh.
Yeah.
The ice cream and avocado I know this is very sad.
Oh, it has a good weight to this. This is like a whole meal.
Yeah, there's stuff in there.
roasted rice.